Here in the video, we are going to talk about Mortal Kombat error code 8850000000. The error reads, "Sorry, something went wrong." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to launch the game, but instead of opening, it shows a message saying something went wrong, followed by a link and the anti-tamper error code. According to our research, this error may be related to the game's anti-tamper protection, possible firewall conflicts, pending updates, or issues with the game files. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with the internet and try again. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, close everything and disable your firewall. Then restart your device and try again. If the error doesn't come now, then it was likely caused by your firewall. If the error still persists, check for updates for Steam, the game, and your device's operating system. If there are any updates pending, install them and check for the error again. If the error still continues, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot and check if this helps with the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try verifying the game files and see if this helps with the error. If you still get the error, then wait for some time and try again later. As per some users, the issue resolved on its own after a few days. So give the game a break and try again later. At last, if nothing helps and the error continues for too long, then you can contact and report the issue to game support. Or you can also try reinstalling the game completely. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.